What kind of bedding should I use in my chicken coop? So bedding has multiple purposes. It absorbs moisture to keep our birds clean and their feet healthy. It insulates the coop. It can influence how and when birds perform certain behaviors, and it can play a role in food safety by affecting pathogen growth. I'm Dr. Michaela. In today's video, we'll assess 3 different types of bedding. We'll look at how well each type absorbs moisture, insulates the coop, whether or not it affects chicken behavior, and how easy it is to manage and clean. So first up is wood shavings. This is the most common bedding source and is very easy to find. Shaving absorbs moisture, which helps limit pathogen growth. It insulates the coop well, and it's compostable, which works well with the deep litter method. In general, wood shavings are also easy to clean. However, when they get wet, they can cake and can grow mold if not removed. Shavings are also dusty, which can cause some respiratory stress, and sometimes chickens eat them, which negatively affects their digestive system. Next up is straw. Straw is another easy to find chicken bedding. Straw is an excellent insulator and can be added to the coop during the winter to help keep things warm. However, straw is not great at absorbing moisture, which can result in lesions on our birds' foot pads. Higher moisture level also means increased caking and increases the level of environmental pathogens. Sand is also becoming a popular choice for bedding. Sand isn't great at absorbing moisture, but it keeps things relatively dry because liquid evaporates quickly from it. Compared to straw and shavings, sand has a much lower level of pathogens due to its poor nutrient availability and lack of binding sites for bacteria. Sand can also increase normal behaviors like dust bathing when compared to straw. Sand can help keep those coops cooler during those summer months, but isn't great at insulating the coop in the winter. Sand can also not be used in the deep litter method because it's not compostable. And it can be harder to manage because it's a little heavier. So choosing the right bedding for your coop really depends on where you live, the type of coop you have, and the number of chickens you have. No matter what type of bedding you use, you can always add a litter additive like Healthy Coop to help keep things dry and safe for your flock. For more information, visit us at backyardchicken.com or reach out to us on social media.